Morning students, today I Isha teacher from St. Thomas School and I am going to take your English of standard 5th. So this is our first video of unit number 1, boundless nature. Okay, so what do you mean by nature? Nature is which is made by nature only, which is not made by man-made. Okay, and what do you mean by boundless? Boundless means it's unlimited. Okay, so we are going through our first activity 1, pre-task. Nature is boundless in its rich resources. Men use these resources to create wonder. Identify these nature resources and discuss their usefulness with your partner. Okay, here 3 pictures are given and you have to just identify it. Okay, so here first is sun. Okay, and second one is wind, but it's air, and third one is river, but it's water. Okay, so you have to just write the usefulness with in your rough book. Okay, so now we are going through our activity 2. Read the following passage carefully. The story of an orange. Nobody knows exactly from where the orange came. We are not knowing from where the orange came. Though Southeast Asia is thought to be its first home, but Southeast Asia is thought to be its first home. The orange first home is Southeast Asia, but today it is grown in most of the warmer part of the world. The Greek and Rome news about the orange. It is possible that the orange was carried from India to Western Asia and then to Europe. It is possible that the orange first was carried from India to Western Asia and then to Europe. Today, the orange is the most important fresh fruit in international trade. But today, orange is the most important fresh fruit. The three chief the 3 chief kinds of orange are: first one, the sweet or common orange. It must be sweet or common orange. The Mandarin orange and the sour or bitter orange. The Mandarin orange. What do you mean by Mandarin orange? Mandarin orange is a small and a sweet type of an orange. It's a small and a sweet type of orange. And the sour or bitter orange. It must be a sour or a bitter. Of these, the sweet orange is most important. But all of these, the sweet orange is the most important. It is after 3 years that the tree bears fruit. After 3 years, the tree bears fruit. An interesting kind of the sweet orange is called a blood orange. The interesting kind of sweet orange is called the blood orange. Just do underline over there. An interesting kind of a sweet orange is called the blood orange. Its pulp is deep red in color and grown in Mediterranean region. Its pulp is deep red in color and it's grown in Mediterranean region. Okay, the orange inside the fruit is there. Its pulp is deep red in color. Okay, the temple is an orange with a thin loose skin. It is a mixture of the Mandarin and the sweet orange. Okay, it's a Mandarin and it's sweet orange. Okay, so the sour orange is grown almost everywhere, especially in Spain. The sour orange is grown everywhere, but especially in Spain only. The chief use of this orange is to make marmalade, since it is too bitter to eaten as a fruit, but it's too bitter to eaten as a fruit. The orange is a clean fruit. Anyone who touches it only touch the outer covering. Anyone who touch the orange, they will touch the outer cover of the orange. No one will touch inside the orange. Okay, the outer cover, which can be easily peeled off. The thick, oily, bitter skin does not allow insects to get inside into the orange. Okay, but thick, oily, and bitter cover of the orange, they will not allow the insects to get inside the orange. The pulp of the orange. Orange therefore are in demand all over the world. But today the orange is demand all over the world. Okay, let's see here some keywords are given. First one, trade. Business between two companies or a country. There is a business between two companies or a country. Mandarin, a small and a sweet type of orange. A small and a sweet type of orange. Maltmats, a food items made with orange or lemon. A food which is that a food item made with orange or a lemon. It means a jam. Peel off, to take off of skin of a fruit or vegetable. To take off the cover. If just take an orange and we are just peel off the skin of the cover, right? That's Okay, let's see activity 3. Study the following conversation. Provide the missing part in your own words. Okay, here conversation between two guys is given. Okay, the two person is given. So first is Rohan. Hello Amita, are you okay? Rohan is asking to Amita. Hello Amita, are you okay? Amita is saying, Hi Rohan, I am good. I look a bit untidy today. Amita says, I look bit untidy today because I was cleaning the school playground. I was cleaning the school playground. Rohan, oh, so you were busy cleaning the school playground. Rohan is asking to Amita that you are busy in cleaning the school playground. Amita says, yes, we started at 8 a.m. and finished it only at 1 p.m. Rohan, oh, I see. So you worked for more than 5 hours. You had worked for more than 5 hours. Amita, yes, but we enjoyed it. I am going to tell my mom that I have cleaned the school playground. Okay. So we are putting till over here, and we are continue our this chapter in our next session. So okay, bye.